We're going to take a look at the Wiha SoftFinish Conduit Reamer and 6-in-1 multi-driver combo. So you got the Conduit Reamer and the 6-in-1 blades. Pop out the Reamer, put the blades in there. You got the standard Wiha 6-in-1. Insert the Conduit Reamer into your drill. This is a nice combo pack. Most of the time you're using this anyways. And then you got the 6-in-1 to use by hand. But if you want to take it out, pop that Reamer, ream by hand, you're good to go. Let's take a closer look at it. Wiha 6-in-1 multi-driver insert includes 4 essential screwdriver and 2 nut driver tip profiles for efficient tool carry. It consists of Wiha premium quality tool steel engineered for strength and durability that feature exact fit precision machine tips to reduce cam out of fastener heads. The nut driver component is chrome plated and the double-ended bits have a phosphate finish for corrosion protection and surface resilience. The Wiha Conduit Reamer insert deburrs and smooths 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch conduit ends, both inside and out to protect wire insulation and a proper fit for install. The Reamer also features a shrouded slotted driver tip to prevent slipping off the fastener head when tightening hard-to-reach conduit fittings. Wiha premium quality multi-drivers are designed and engineered by Wiha Germany and are made in Monticello, Minnesota, USA under strict Wiha quality standards. You can buy with confidence knowing that the Wiha multi-driver is backed by the Wiha no-hassle guarantee.